just a little video for you to introduce, if you haven't seen already, our male grooming kits. They're absolutely fantastic. If you are a barber, they're perfect. So any nasal waxing, any ears, any eyebrows or beard lines, we've got these wonderful kits that are called our male grooming kits, and within the kit you do get a 100cc heater, so you can see from the size of it they're perfect, they're small and compact, so they won't take up a lot of space. And within the kit you can either have the jade peelable wax or the Onyx peelable wax, both by Outback Organics. You also get the foil cup, so if I just take the lid off here of our Onyx one and you can have a little look inside, you get the small spatulas to do your application with, and you get these disposable foil cups that you can just the jade. You've got an aroma of eucalyptus. And it's just the green or the black colour. So attached to this video will be some clips of me doing some nose waxing, so I can show you how I do nose waxing, and also some ear waxing. Very, very straightforward. And if you need to do a beard line as well, it's very easy just with the spatulas here. Just sit really nicely anywhere between 8 and 8.5 on the dial. Obviously it depends on how much wax you've got in here, so if there's a little bit less wax you might want to turn the heat down a little bit. Remember, this temperature here is your heat output, it's not your working wax temperature. I do recommend keeping a thermometer close by, because the comfortable wax temperature to go on the skin is anywhere between 56 and up to 62, 63 degrees Celsius. So by having a thermometer and just using the prong that you can just place into the wax, just about that much there, being careful not to touch the edges of the heater, and just make sure that you've got a reading for about 20 seconds that shows anywhere between 58 and 62 to 63 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, so these are fantastic kits. Go along to our website on the Outback Organics page and have a look at our male grooming kits.